Jim Stilford, the caretaker.
Jim?
You right? Yeah.
Wait, I was meant to be meeting the head, Mr. Hill, you see.
Mr. Hill, yeah. Well, kids went home because of the, activity and the damages. So Mr. Hill went with them. Yeah.
Is he? Can I still get paid? Because I can't do it for free.
Yeah, no. Mr. Hill sorted out the budget before he left. So.
Okay. Good. Okay. Shall I? I'll give you my bank details now. Then,
George, man, let's go get the stuff out of the car first.
What? Okay, let's do it. You got these overalls then, Keith?
Oh, I'm getting them.
Really? Let's see them then. Are they from a fancy dress shop?
I don't think so.
Keith, I can see the Ghostbuster logo on them.
Well, that's what I asked for.
What?
You said we need some proper ghoul busting gear to make us look more professional, yeah?
Yeah.
Right. So I went to this clothes shop that sold all different types of uniforms and asked for them.
What sort of uniforms did they sell?
They had loads. They had astronaut one with the big helmet, a disco dancer, and they had a Scottish one as well.
A Scottish uniform?
Yeah.
They sold a Scottish uniform there?
Yeah.
What was that, like a kill?
No, don't be daft. It's like a tartan hat with a ginger wig stapled to it.
So this is the main entrance door. We work with quite a few loud noises in here actually.
Okay.
Loud noises.
Alright Jim, can you just elaborate for me a little bit, please?
Sorry, so like, locker doors slamming when there's no here, like just footsteps coming down the stairs, coming all the way down and then right close to me and then just...
Right. Anything more physical happen though?
Yeah, I had a glass, like a beaker, thrown at me in the science room. Managed to get out of it, kicking out. But
right.
Yeah, first time I've been in here since actually.
Can you just watch your language for me, please, Jim? Keith, can you set up in the science classroom upstairs? Is that okay?
Can do.
Right, well, let's. This is the science classroom. There should be some sockets by there for you to plug in your. What is that?
This just listens for spooky frequencies in the room.
If there's ghoul presence, it'll pick it up. It'll give us a good vibe of it, and that's all you need to know on that. Are you all right in here on your own, Keith?
What?
Are you all right in here on you? Have you got a camera or something? You can stay with him. Yeah, right. Let's go, Jim.
No, you've got your spectromorphic equalizer. Just checks for spooky frequencies in the room. I've got a thermometer over the other side there, just for check for any sudden drops or rises. And I've got my sage, which I burn.
What's your sage do?
Just calms them down a bit, stops them, getting all agitated. And it smells quite nice as well,
This is the lodge room. This is where we first actually had any kind of activity, any movement. So.
Really? The room with all the white sheets is where it first happened?
Yeah, a white sheet. Floated along there. Just something there.
Okay. Is there anywhere else you need to show me?
Yeah, cool.
It's alright. To be honest, I'm a little bit sceptical about all this white sheets going about. Does that not sound a bit ridiculous to you?
George?
Yeah, I'm coming now. I can't afford not to get paid again, honestly. What is that? Is that a power cut?
I don't know. I guess we could check.
What is that?
I can't stay here.
What are you on about?
Can you give me a call?
No.
Finish this.
Are you serious?
Sorry.
No.
Sorry.
What is he doing? I don't know the way around at all. Can you remember the way? Stopped. Can you remember the way?
I can hear something. we go. This is us.
What's it mean?
I don't know. Oh God. I think we should get Joe. Whoa, Joe!
So this is apparently where all the noise was coming from, but they all look locked now, so I've no idea how a ghoul could open it and then shut it and lock it again, so... Oh! No, wait. Come here. That can't be a coincidence, can it?
How'd you get in there?
Oh, Jim! What are you doing? Sneaking up on us. You know there's floaties whooshing around everywhere.
It's been locked for years, man. How'd you get in there?
The ghoul opened it. He's dead, isn't it? You should have told me before, mate. You should have told me. Now we can finally put the guy to rest. I need a shoebox or something that size. I need you to put some soil from the grounds inside the shoebox. You grab that.
Hell. Need some sage advice. Be gone! Be gone! Were you there before?
Jesus.
What has happened? Oh, Keith! Just pass me the tea. Help him out. What's happened, mate? Are you okay?
Oh!
Are you okay?
You said the sage calmed him down.
It does with some people. Some people don't, you know, not everyone likes Coca-Cola. Some people don't like sage. Oh. Are you okay, mate?
Yeah.
Alright. Let's lay you to rest, lad. Time for bed, guys. Good night. Where are we?
Is that it?
Yeah, that's it. I need to borrow a shovel. Yeah? Job well done, Keith. Good job. Let's clear out. So yeah, just got to get Keith to successfully bury the box, and then Betty bye-byes Betty bye to the boy. Sleepy time. And we've got no more locker slapping, beaker smashing, teacher scaring ghoul. No more floaties whooshing about. But I could do with cracking on. Keith, you hurry up. Need to be back by 7. Most Haunted's on. Love watching that programme, you know. Yvette Fielding chasing ghosts around, as she calls them. What a charlatan, honestly, she is actually an idiot though. She shouldn't be doing it. It's a joke. Don't know why he bought it up.